Starting around 18 November 2023, Jasmy coin in every way that really matters is exchanging at $0.0047 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.37% in all things considered, most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely huge. Jasmy especially has an extremely all-out market cap of $233,141,863, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,290,009 in an especially significant manner. This generally makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, really positioning at 150 in the digital currency market, or so they especially thought. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Jasmy coin especially be genuinely worth in 2023, or so they truly thought? Is Jasmy coin a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Jasmy cost especially outperform its untouched essentially high in a quite enormous manner? These basically are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023, as per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost generally is supposed to truly cross in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.0053, the normal pretty least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the exceptionally current year, ought to in every practical sense be $0.0051. In every way that really matters, further appearance how this essentially makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, kind of positioning at 150 in the digital money market, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, Jasmy can especially arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0.0055, or so they in a real sense thought. Jasmy coin value expectation November 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin generally is explicitly anticipated to essentially reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.0047 in November 2023, showing how this for the most part makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, in every practical sense, positioning at 150 in the digital money market, which by and large is very huge. The Jasmy cost could sort of arrive at in every way that really matters, greatest worth of $0.0053, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.0051 all through 2023, showing how this most certainly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, genuinely positioning at 150 in the digital money market, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin most certainly is supposed to in a real sense be at around a sort of least of $0.0051 in an extremely significant manner. Jasmy coin cost can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $0.0055, with the sort of typical cost of $0.0053 in United States dollars, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin especially passed value examination in every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto sort of has been all things considered, diminished by 2.93% in its by and large current worth, so Jasmy coin value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin explicitly is supposed to for the most part be at around a kind of least of $0.0051 in a genuinely significant manner. Assuming we basically think about the truly current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can truly see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin truly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, so Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023 as per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost especially is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $0.0053. The normal most certainly least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to truly be $0.0051, by and large further appearance, how this basically makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, genuinely positioning at 150 in the digital money market, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. The Jasmy explicitly is down to nearly 15.62% in the kind of most recent 7 days, which explicitly shows that this certainly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, kind of positioning at 150 in the digital currency market in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for in every practical sense. Past kind of couple of days, the coin could for the most part have areas of strength for truly yet. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in sort of present moment, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the truly most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy in a real sense diminished by 31.052%, disposing of an incredible pretty typical amount of $0.0021 from its all things considered current worth, so the Jasmy cost could generally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.0053, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.0051 all through 2023. Showing how this certainly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, lovely positioning at 150 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin fundamentally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a great certainly purchase a potential open door for by and large speedy speculation, which especially shows that will Jasmy cost explicitly outperform its unequaled height, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change really is near 9.78%, and the cost especially coursed from an extremely least exceptionally normal cost of $0.0049 to especially greatest for the most part normal cost of $0.0054 in the very beyond 90 days, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. In certainly most recent 4 months Jasmy coin generally has shown a developing pattern, which most certainly shows that in kind of most recent 4 months, Jasmy coin sort of has shown a developing pattern in a sort of large manner. Consequently, we especially believe that comparative pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, or so they generally thought. As indicated by the especially the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin truly is expanded from 4 months, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, showing how in a real sense is Jasmy coin a very wise venture, or for the most part worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. The coin really is up by 23.81%, with the sort of most extreme genuinely normal cost of the coin, especially was around $0.0031, and the in every practical sense, least beautiful normal cost of especially was around $0.0030 in beyond 4 months, showing the way that the Jasmy cost could in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.0053 with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging worth of $0.0051 all through 2023, exhibiting how this explicitly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, sort of positioning at 150 in the digital money market in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value estimate 2023 facts. What will all things considered be Jasmy coin especially worth in 2023, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking? The Jasmy cost generally is gauged to especially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of 0.0